Well, it's been one full month on keto, so it's time to step on the scale, see what the progress is. What a week it has been. Let's just say the challenges have been constant. As you may recall, the wife and I got away last weekend, and that led to 2 meals and a dessert that were definitely not keto. Then when we got home, we had out-of-town family staying with us for the week. Combine that with the fact that it was really cold outside and my gym is in my garage. I only managed to get 3 of 5 weight workouts in. I struggled on a couple of days to get my steps in, and I also missed out on my cardio for the second week in a row. I walked into the bathroom this morning to step on the scale, and I expected the worst. I was prepared for what came next. So I closed my eyes and just went for it. As I slowly opened my eyes, I saw that I was at 282 pounds, which is a loss of 4.4 pounds for the week. Look, this is proof that weight loss is not an exact science. Sometimes you do everything right and you step on the scale and it shows no change, or even worse, you've gone up a pound or 2. And then sometimes it feels like it's going to be a really bad week and you step on the scale and you end up losing weight. So my first full month on keto, I've lost 19 pounds, I've reduced my BMI by 2.4 points, and my body fat percentage is down 3.6%. While there doesn't seem to be any rhyme or reason for a 4-pound loss after last weekend's cheat meals and a very challenging week, I was able to do some things right. After cheat meal number 2 last weekend, I started a fast to get myself back on track and was able to fast for a full 48 hours. And the rest of the week I kept my macros on point. And when you have house guests that don't share the same diet as you do, that is a very challenging feat indeed. I know I keep saying this, but folks, this is progress. I was able to get right back on the wagon and stay strong after the cheat weekend, despite having house guests. All of these things would have seemed impossible in the past. So can I encourage you for a minute? Whatever challenges you face with weight loss, whatever things that cause you to stumble so many times, just keep going, keep trying. Progress is not one giant leap all at once. Progress is one step at a time until you realize those things that you faced so many times that were stumbling blocks for you aren't as hard to face anymore. None of us are perfect. We are all going to make mistakes. We all have our own individual weaknesses, but that is not a reason to give up. I'm in no way saying that I've beaten all my issues. I still have a very long road ahead of me at 282 pounds, but I am encouraged by my progress. So what now? Well, I plan to put the pedal to the metal in month 2. For the first time since I started this journey back at the beginning of January, I don't have any challenges that I know of coming up in the foreseeable future. And to be honest, that's almost a little scarier to me, because I don't know what temptations may pop up around the corner. So what's going to happen? I don't know, but I will keep you updated, so stay tuned.